What's up guys, I'm Pietro Chiovaro and today I'm gonna show you the BenQ ScreenBar Plus in reader lamp, a product that was sent to me by BenQ to test it in my daily routine. The BenQ ScreenBar Plus reader lamp is a compact lamp designed to be attached at the top of the monitor and protect the eyes from the computer screen. Now let's take a look inside the box. Basically, there are three main parts: the lamp, the clip that attaches the lamp to the monitor, and the light controller with the USB cable to power the lamp. All the steps to set up the lamp are explained in the back of the box. The process is really simple and requires just a few minutes. Being a 3D artist, I spend many hours in front of a monitor. So before to show you this product, I tested the lamp for several days and nights to give you a clear and honest feedback. And I'm pleased to say that this BenQ ScreenBar Plus lamp goes over my expectation, and now I can work without it, especially during the night. Okay, now let's take a look to the improvements that this BenQ ScreenBar Plus gave to my workspace. Right now this is my room in the middle of the night, during one of my preferred moments to work. Generally, I turn on a lamp that I have in my desk, and that's the illumination of my room during the night. As you can see, the illumination is not the optimal one, especially in the central part where the monitor is placed. Now let's turn on the BenQ ScreenBar Plus reader lamp. The result is totally different. Thanks to the clip that attaches the lamp at the top of the monitor, the lamp illuminates exactly in the central area of the desk where I'm gonna work. In this way it decreases the eyes fatigue, letting me work more comfortable and for more time. Another cool thing I noticed is that it doesn't cause any screen glare, something that previously happened with my desk lamp. And once again, thanks to the clip, it saves space, and it's the perfect solution. If you want to take a look and learn more about the product, check out the link in the description. Maybe this lamp is the solution you was looking for. Have a nice day and see you soon.